LoveConsultant present. 5 reasons women cheat. Hey guys, according to popular belief, it's men who cheat more often than women. But in reality, women are just as guilty as men when it comes to infidelity, and the reasons for infidelity are not always linked to a partner's unhappiness in the relationship. This was proven by a biological anthropologist, Helen, who presented the results of her study on marital infidelity that 34% of women and 56% of men who were happily married were still having affairs. In another study conducted in the UK, it was stated that 57% of women felt an emotional connection to their affair, compared to only 27% of men. In conclusion, women seek more emotional comfort through infidelity. This motive also underlies many of the following reasons why women have affairs. Number 1. Low self-esteem. Lack of self-esteem makes it easier for women to be tempted to cheat. They seek comfort from others to feel valued, wanted, and needed. This is what makes women addicted to cheating, because insecurity causes them to be impulsive and difficult to make good decisions. Number 2. Expectations are too high. Many women demand their partners to be with them 24/7. Their reasons are many, such as lack of happiness, lack of attention, and lack of comfort. With these reasons, they end up looking for someone else who they think is better than their partner because they can fulfill their expectations. Number 3. Wanting revenge. Some women have affairs because they want revenge after being betrayed by their partners. They feel lied to and cheated on in some way by their partner. Because of this anger, they make the immature decision to cheat on their partner and are not at all ashamed to hide it from their partner. Number 4. Feeling neglected by your spouse. In marriage, women feel underappreciated by their husbands because they are only treated as mothers, servants, or financial producers in the household. The lack of romance, emotional attention, and biological needs from their husbands causes them to look for someone else to fill the void. Number 5. Chasing pleasure. For women who are always looking for new pleasures, they must be addicted to the thrill of adrenaline obtained from infidelity. They are bored with the relationship they have because there is nothing new that pleases them, so they look for that pleasure in someone else. Hopefully this information can provide positive benefits for all of you. Tell us your opinion in the comments column. Happy greetings to me, you, and all of us.